Hello friends, this is my second video for the introduction chapter of plus one class. So we were on the physics relation with technology. We have studied that there are close relations between chemistry, biology, astronomy, mathematics. There is a great impact of physics on the society. Now we will study that physics relation with technology. Technology is developed by physics. The advancement in the technology is done by the physics. Physics, some theories, principles are used in the technology and advancement occurs. Like silicon chip was invented, and that is now very fluently is used in the mobiles. And you know what revolutions in the technology has brought by the mobile. Sometimes the technology also develop the physics, right? Sometimes technology जो है वो भी physics ਨੂੰ develop करती है. We have made some material, and by the researches, by the observation, we find the sum of the new laws and principles of the physics. So both physics do the advancement in technology and technology in the physics. Now I am coming to the link between technology and physics. Meaning is, some technologies are developed by some of the basic concept of the physics. I will explain one by one so that it will be much clearer in your mind. Steam engine. The engine which is used by the rail, or I think you have seen this in some of the films, that we are putting the coal in it, and by burning the coal, the steam is produced. Laws of thermodynamics are used in these steam engines. There are two laws. In fact, there is a zero law, one and second law of thermodynamics. We will study in the coming chapters in plus one class. Rocket propulsion. Rocket is coming up, right? Coming up. That is following the Newton laws. Mainly the Newton's second and third law. Action and reaction are equal and opposite. Till we haven't studied third law, but that law, yes, you have studied in ninth class, in fact, not here, but in ninth class you have studied action and reaction are equal and opposite. Okay, so a rocket do give the action on the ground, and ground give the reactions, the atmosphere give the reactions. With that, rocket propulsion occurs. Aeroplane, this we will study in plus one. Bernoulli theorem. Aeroplane flies in the airs. That is due to the Bernoulli's theorem, right? Sonar, sound navigation and ranging, you have studied in a ninth class. Reflection of ultrasonic waves. Waves are going from transmitter and strike with some material and coming back, right? That reflection of a sound is used in sonar. In this way, we are measuring the speed of the aeroplanes, the depth of the sea or seas, right? Optical fibers. Fiber means what? We are using in the cables, these optical fibers, there is total internal reflections. Okay, total internal reflection. What is the meaning? One fiber remains of this way, and one signal is entering in it, and this will go this way. The second signal, lot of signals in this way can go in a single wire. They will not collide. So single wire will be useful to send lot of signals. simultaneously. So one wire, minimum 500 signals can send at a time. So that is optical fiber, right? Electric generator, in 10th class you have studied electromagnetic inductions. Hydroelectric power, you know, potential energy is converted to electrical. Particle accelerator, you will study in plus 2 class this. Charged particle get accelerated in electric and magnetic field, force due to electromagnetic field. Electric and magnetic field. Radio and TV, EM waves, electromagnetic waves, right? Photocell, photoelectric effects, some effects are there in between cell, there is some chemical reaction, that is photocell. Nuclear reactors, in 10th class you have studied controlled nuclear reactions, fission and fusion, two types of reaction are there. Electron microscope and a simple microscope, there is wave nature of electron, plus 2 class you will study. Computer digital logic, you have studied a vocational subject in the 9th and 10th classes. 0 and 1, 2 digits are there, and with those digits some coding is done in the computer. That coding is responsible, this concept is responsible for the computer. Genetic engineering, role of DNA in heredity, DNA in heredity, genetic engineering. Now some of the scientists, physicists and their countries and the laws, I have taken all the laws which we will study in plus 1 and plus 2 class. Archimedes principles we will study here, little bit we have studied in the 9th class also. Principle of buoyancy, object float on a water if the density of the object remain lesser than water, they were of grease. There is a very interesting story, in fact, related to this principle of buoyancy. I will tell to you in a class. Galilei, they are of Italy. In Italy, there is a minar in the 7th wonders of the world. It is coming Pisa ki minar. From that, he has done one experiment also, and law of inertia he has given. Law of inertia, right? You have studied 3 types of inertia in a 9th class. Sir Isaac Newton, United Kingdom's universal law of radiation, in 9th class you have studied. Huygens principle in plus 2 class, Holland, they are of Holland, right? A wave theory of light you will study. Light is a wave. Light is a wave. Something light when fall on a glass and it will cross the glass, then it is the wave nature of light, right? Faraday, United Kingdom, law of electromagnetic inductions, in 10th class you have studied. Maxwell of UK, electromagnetic theory, in plus 2 class you will study electromagnetic theory. Hertz क्या होता है बेटा? You have studied this frequency hertz, है ना? frequency जो होती है वो hertz में होती है, वेव चल रही होती है तब. जर्मनी के हैं, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स के बारे में उन्होंने बताया. थॉमसन यूके के हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन की स्टडी, उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्कवरी की. चैडविक ने न्यूट्रॉन की. रॉटगन जर्मनी के थे, एक्सरेज की उन्होंने. जेसी बॉस इंडिया के थे, अल्ट्रा शॉर्ट रेडियो वेव्स इन्होंने, यूवी रेस जो है वो उन्होंने, जेसी बॉस का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. मैडम क्यूरी, है ना, मैरी क्यूरी बोलते हैं इनको, नोबेल प्राइज मिला हुआ, पोलैंड की है. रेडियो एक्टिविटी की स्टडी उन्होंने बहुत की. मिलिकन्स, है ना, मिलिकन्स ऑयल ड्रॉप मेथड आप पढ़ोगे, यूएसए के थे ये. मेजरमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज 1.6 into 10⁻19 कूलम होता है. ये मिलिकन ऑयल ड्रॉप मेथड से पता लगा था बेटा. रदरफोर्ड न्यूजीलैंड के थे, ये आप रदरफोर्ड स्कैटरिंग पढ़ोगे केमिस्ट्री के अंदर भी. इन्होंने एटम जो है उसमें न्यूक्लियस होता है, ये रदरफोर्ड ने बताया था. नील्स बोहर डेनमार्क के थे, इन्होंने हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम बताया था कि हाइड्रोजन का एक स्पेक्ट्रम बनता है. प्लस 2 क्लास में आप पढ़ोगे. इंडिया के 3 साइंटिस्ट यहाँ मैंने इकट्ठे लिखे. सीबी रमन इंडिया के थे. इन्होंने बताया था कि एक लाइट जो है वो जब गिरती है तो स्कैटर होती है, और किसी ग्लास से जाती है तो उसकी वेवलेंथ और जो उसकी स्पीड है वो चेंज हो जाती है ना. एमएन साहा, अपने साहा प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सुना होगा. एमएन में मतलब मेघनाथ, उनका पूरा नाम था मेघनाथ साहा, इंडिया. इन्होंने स्टार्स के बारे में बताया था. आइंस्टाइन के साथ मिलके इन्होंने काम किया बेटा. और इन्होंने बोस आइंस्टाइन एक कंडेंसेशन थ्योरी है वो उन्होंने मिलके दी थी. इनके नाम से है वो, आइंस्टाइन के साथ बोस आइंस्टाइन थ्योरी, राइट. एस एन बोस ये हो गया एस एन बोस। नाउ डी ब्रोगली ने एक वेव थ्योरी, वेव नेचर ऑफ मैटर दिया था कि मैटर जो है वो वेव की तरह भी काम करता है ना, +2 में पढ़ेंगे। पॉली एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल पढ़ा है आपने, है ना। हिसेनबर्ग वो अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ोगे। चंद्रशेखर जी हैं, इन्होंने स्टार्स के बारे में स्टडी की। होमी जहांगीर भाभा, कैसेगेड प्रोसेस ऑफ कॉस्मिक रेडिएशंस, है ना। कैसेगेड मतलब होता है जैसे फुवारा सा, है ना, एक फुवारा सा, है ना, उनके रेडिएशन से। ये जो है भाभा साहब, इनके नाम से न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट है इंडिया में, और इनको फादर ऑफ इंडियन न्यूक्लियर पावर बोलते हैं। जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने इनको काम दिया था। इन्होंने बहुत मेजर रोल प्ले किया है न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स बनाने में इंडिया के। होमी जहांगीर भाभा। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच।